In this video, we're going to be going over 5 different ways ChatGPT can be used for Google Ads. We'll be discussing copywriting, keywords, analytics, and much more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. One of the main parts of a Google Ads campaign is the headline and description, as it's what will make the potential customers decide if they want to click on the link to your website. So it is important that it stands out and sounds catchy. I'm simply going to ask ChatGPT to write 10 short and catchy Google Ads headlines under 30 characters if possible for a mobile dog grooming service, targeting busy pet owners in urban areas, focus on convenience, time saving, and pet care quality. The tone should be friendly and trustworthy, avoid overly salesy language, and emphasize ease and comfort for both the owner and the pet. This prompt gives ChatGPT information about the service that we are offering, our target audience and location, key points to highlight, and much more. Providing this information will allow ChatGPT to provide the best possible response. In the matter of seconds, it has come back with a list of 10 different catchy headlines which are tailored for a mobile dog grooming service. For example, some that I like out of this list are no mess, no stress, on-demand grooming, and care comes to you. We can use a variety of these to see which one works best for our Google Ads campaign. Moving on, the next part of a Google Ads campaign that a customer may read is the description. The description is important as it gives potential customers more information about what you're offering and why they should click. On ChatGPT, I'm going to ask, write 5 Google Ads descriptions, max 90 characters each, for a meditation and sleep app designed to help users fall asleep and improve sleep quality. The app features guided meditations, sleep stories, and calming music. Target audience includes adults aged 25 to 45 who struggle with insomnia or stress. Emphasize ease of use, relaxation, and health benefits. Keep the tone soothing, reassuring, and trustworthy. It has now returned 5 Google Ads descriptions which are tailored to our specific campaign, so a couple of these that I think sound really good are ease stress and sleep deeper with guided meditation and peaceful music. Again, we can use more than one of these for testing and see which one works the best. Keywords are an extremely important aspect of Google Ads, as they determine who sees your ad and who doesn't. Targeting the correct keywords ensures your ads are shown to the correct people and can heavily impact your click-through rate. We can use ChatGPT to come up with a list of keywords to target and not to target based on our specific product or service. For example, I'm simply going to type, suggest 30 Google Ads keywords for a mobile car detailing service in Austin, Texas. Focus on terms people might use to find convenient, high-quality car cleaning services at home or at work. Include a few long-tail keywords and suggest some negative keywords to avoid clicks from people looking for car wash jobs or DIY tutorials. It has now come back with a variety of different sections, so we have top keywords, which include some search terms that show someone is ready to purchase your service soon, such as mobile car detail in Austin and mobile auto detailing near me. Then we have a list of long tail keywords, which are longer, more specific search terms, such as mobile car detailing services that come to you Austin, and interior and exterior car detailing at home Austin. Next, it has provided a list of location enhanced keywords, which are search terms which include specific geographic areas such as East Austin mobile car wash. Finally, for our ads, we have a list of keywords which we don't want Google Ads to target for our ads. Analysing your Google Ads campaigns is super important as it allows you to see what is working and what is not, and will save you money in the long run. ChatGPT is able to help with this. I'm going to upload this spreadsheet which contains metrics for some different ad campaigns. You can download this straight from Google Ads. Then I'm going to type, here is our Google Ads campaign performance data for the past 30 days. Please analyse the performance across campaigns and tell me which ones are working well, which ones are underperforming, and what optimizations we could make to improve ROI. It has now come out with a variety of different categories. For example, it has listed out the high performing campaigns, underperforming campaigns, then some recommendations for optimization. Under each category, it has provided the specific campaign, then some bullet points breaking down why it is in the category that it is, and then some advice. You may want to advertise your product or service in a different country, so it is important that all your ad copy is tailored for that specific country you're running your ads in. I'm simply going to ask ChatGPT to translate the following Google Ad headline and description into Spanish. Maintain a persuasive and professional tone and adjust for cultural relevance if needed. Then I'm going to paste the headline and description. It has now come back with the ad copy in Spanish. I'm going to paste this into Google Translate to validate this. That's all we have for this video on using ChatGPT for Google Ads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.